guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay, today's ganap po ay moving up exercises po ng aming preschool or kindergarten sa main and branch po. Okay, see you guys later. Yan po ang aming stage. Kahit po virtual ang aming moving up pero nakaset up pa rin po. Yan po ay courtesy of Sir Hector Dapo. Ayan po guys ang aming mga IT ko no, mga IT department. Ito po ang aming decorator. Sir Hector. Ayan po ang magandang MC namin. Teacher Mia. Ayan po ang advisor ng kinder, Teacher Irma. Ayan po ang mga IT namin. Puro babae po.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 32nd Moving Up exercises of St. Thomas More Academy. Everyone is all eager to witness today's special event, especially the parents of these graduating children. Without further ado, may I call on Mrs. Mary Ann C. de los Santos, our school registrar, as she presents to us the candidates for moving up, to be followed by the confirmation by Mrs. Grace C. de los Pinos, School's Assistant Directress.
Mrs. Grace C. de los Pinos, I have the honor and privilege to present to you the graduating class in kindergarten of St. Thomas More Academy Incorporated. They have successfully completed all the requirements for kindergarten as prescribed by the Department of Education in the K-12 curriculum for the school year 2021-2022. We are composed of 8 boys and 3 girls, led by Marcus Elijah H. Rodriguez, Gold Medallion Awardee, and Alexander Vincent Atienza, Gold Medal Awardee. May I request for the confirmation of their graduation. Thank you very much.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Assistant Director of St. Thomas More Academy Incorporated, by the Department of Education, Region 4A Calabarzon, Division of Bacoor, and after having complied all the requirements prescribed in the kindergarten curriculum for academic year 2021-2022, and upon the recommendation of your advisor, Mrs. Irma E. de Castro, and verified by our school registrar, Mrs. Mary Ann C. de los Santos, I hereby confirm you graduates. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and congratulations to our newly confirmed graduates. Let us now proceed to the most awaited and highlighted part of the ceremony, the granting of certificates to our newly confirmed graduates. We encourage you to show your pride by showing us your brightest smile. May I request that graduates, together with his or her parent or guardian, to stand as the name of the child is called. May I also call on the advisor, Mrs. Irma E. de Castro, to present to us the graduates.
Kindergarten St. Agnes, boys, Agarin Marcus Gray R. Lethea Marcos Levin P. Kano Carl Ivan. Rivera Stephen Owen P. Granado Ethan Philip R. Nepomuceno Carlos Anton G. Rodriguez Marcos Elijah H. Girls. Cornelio Aziri Elise M. Gonzalez Princess Lady. Rimoya Janelle Elena O. Once again, kindergarten, congratulations.
Thank you, Teacher Irma, and to our proud parents, congratulations also. We now come to the part where we acknowledge the fruits of success of these little children. We would like to request the parents of the student to stand and give the award to their child. Academic awardees. Silver Medal awardee. Gonzalez Princess Lady. Remulia Janelle Elena O. Gold Medal awardee. Devera Stephen Owen P. Gold Medal awardee. Escalillo Azuri Elise M. Gold Medal awardee. Granado Ethan Philip R. Gold Medal awardee. Nepomuceno Carlos Antoine G. Gold Medal awardee. Kano Carl Ivan. Gold Medal awardee. Lethea Marcus Levin P. Gold Medal awardee. Agarin Marcus Gray R. Gold Medal awardee. Atienza Alexander Vincent. Gold Medal awardee. This year's recipient of gold medallion, Rodriguez Marcus Elijah H. response from this year's Gold Medallion awardee, Marcus Elijah H. Rodriguez.
Good morning to my lovely teachers and classmates. I am grateful to be the top of the year's graduating class. Thank you, Papa God, for this wonderful day. I want to say thank you to teachers Irma and Mia for teaching and guiding us the world hero. Thank you, Mommy, for the love and care we have given although sometimes I am annoying. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for everything. Learners are learned not physically and mentally. And learning brings us to love for me. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for always making me happy. Dear classmates, let us say I love you, and thank you to our parents and to all those who were with us this great year. We finally passed the kindergarten level. We were very fortunate in the next step. But you are a great man. Thank you and good morning, everyone.
Very touching message. To our dear little Morians, we may not see each other anymore, but the joy and memories that we have, the laughter and lessons we shared each day were all put in a special page of our book of life. This may be a challenging year for all of us, but remember that God has a purpose for all of this. At this point, let us all sit back and enjoy as we watch the graduating class perform to sing their graduation song. As they express their gratefulness with their thank you messages.
Thank you, Teacher Arma. Thank you, Teacher Mia. Thank you, classmates. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Teacher Mia and Teacher Irma for helping us to read and write. Thank you for everything. We love you.
Good job, kids. So kids, may I request, as what Elijah has said, give your mom and dad and your papu and mamu a kiss and hug to express your love and say thank you to them. Go, lapit kay Mommy and Daddy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end part of this event, but before we close the day, allow me to express our gratitude to the parents and guardians of the graduates, to our school administrators, teachers, and staff for putting a lot of effort in making this occasion into reality. To our virtual learners, your Morian family is proud to say, job well done, kindergarten. Soar high in achieving your dreams. This is Teacher Mia wishing you congratulations to the second batch of online graduates, and God bless us all. Let's have the pictorial hold.
We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how